The key element of ensuring the safety of aircraft takeoff and landing by Earth-based services is providing the crews with objective information about the condition of aerodrome pavements and, first of all, information on frictional properties of the runway, which are assessed by the values of friction coefficient. The product code is ATEM VVS. ATEM VVS is a dual-use equipment. ATEM VVS is designed for the following purposes: assessment of frictional properties of artificial aerodrome pavements by the value of the friction coefficient, correlation of measurement results with a specific area of measuring the friction coefficient on the aerodrome runway, documenting and archiving of measurement results. The principle of ATEM VVS operation is based on the measurement of friction force of two measuring wheels on the runway surface, with wheel electromechanical braking, which allows to keep the specified percentage of sliding irrespective of the runway surface condition, snow, water, ice or contaminants, and makes it possible to simulate the braking mode of landing gears of any type of aircraft. As of today, ATEM VVS is the only friction coefficient measuring instrument, as well as abroad, which fulfills ICAO requirements. ATEM VVS key features are as follows. 1. Objective evaluation of frictional properties of the runway surface by the friction coefficient value and correlation of measurement results with specific area on the runway with a discreteness of 3 to 5 meters from the runway threshold. Sending measured information to Flight Operations Director, Aerodrome Service, in real time over a radio channel. 2. Real-time representation of a runway condition report on the monitor of the Flight Operations Director, Aerodrome Service, which allows the Flight Operations Director to make a decision on aircraft takeoff or landing, and makes it possible for the Aerodrome Service to provide prompt support in ensuring aerodrome airfield operation availability for takeoff or landing. 3. The error of friction coefficient measurement is plus or minus 0.02 FC units, and it does not depend on runway surface condition, snow, water, ice, contaminants, etc., which practically excludes the necessity of airport closure in extreme weather conditions with critical values of friction coefficient from 0.15 to 0.25 FC units. 4. The friction coefficient measurement channel is digital and is not influenced by the changes in environmental conditions and electromagnetic fields. 5. During ATEM VVS commissioning, a check run over the runway is performed, and in the course of further aerodrome operation, measured values of runway surface friction coefficient are registered or archived on the workstation of the Flight Operations Director or Aerodrome Service, and these results are stored for at least 10 years. This will ensure prompt operational and technical assessment of general runway condition 24/7 and in any weather conditions, and diagnostics of its critical areas in automatic mode on the basis of statistical analysis of measured information.
370, взлету готов.
370, 28 браво, взлет разрешаю.
Да, это 28 браво, 370.